Malta is hiring foreign workers in sectors like factories, construction, cleaning, delivery, caregiving, warehouses, and especially hospitality and tourism, like hotels, restaurants, cafes, resorts, and housekeeping. First, you need to get a job offer from an employer. After receiving the job offer, some sectors like especially hospitality and tourism require you to take the skill pass assessment. You will get all details about Malta skill pass in the next video. So how to apply for the job? This is the video. Prepare a professional CV based on your profession and experience, not mixing multiple profession on your CV. And create a LinkedIn job seekers profile as well. LinkedIn is an international job portal and direct employer connect site. Also add your LinkedIn profile link to your CV. This helps employer verify your profile and professional background. Then create a job seeker account on Indeed as well. Search using job title like hotel staff, factory workers, construction worker, IT professional, engineer. Type your own profession. You can type the location as well like Malta or city in Malta. Click on search, read job title and open the job post. Carefully read each job post like eligibility, responsibilities, experience requirements, contact details, visa sponsorship information. If the job matches your profile, click apply. Some companies allow quick apply directly from this platform. Others may redirect you to the official company website's career page. After clicking apply, you may get an application form with different sections. The company may ask you questions like who are you? Do you have work rights in Malta? What is your experience? Why do you want this job? You may also need to upload your CV and attach your cover letter. Then submit your application. Some employers also provide recruiter or HR email address where you can send the following CV and cover letter, also experience certificate as well. Do not depend on one application only. Apply regularly to multiple employers. Also connect with recruiters, HR managers, employers or supervisors on LinkedIn. Send them short professional messages and express your interest directly. This can increase your chances of getting a direct job offer. Follow and subscribe for more international job updates and work visa information. Thank you for watching.